Hi everyone, welcome back to Thompson TV. I'm so excited to show you guys today one of our brand new vehicles that has just arrived into stock with us, and this is a Hymer Grand Canyon S700. So guys, the clue is in the name. It's the S700. It's just under 7 metres in length. It's coming in at 6.97 metres. So it is one of the longer wheelbase vehicles. It's 5 berth with 4 seat belts and 190 brake horsepower. I'm going to talk you through the outside and cover all the specification out here, and then we'll take a preview inside the vehicle as well. So, starting off the front, this vehicle does come with the park package. That entails your front and your rear parking sensors as well as a 360 camera. We've got the black metallic paint here, and we've also got a heated windscreen, and as you can see just up here you've got your front camera. We're well equipped for off-roading with this vehicle as well. We've got our all-wheel drive alongside our BF Goodrich tyres. Lovely carbon graphics along the side, our electric welcome step, full length awning, and you've got your pop top roof as well. We've got our barbecue point here at the back, and as I was saying before, we've got our reverse sensors and your reverse camera as well at the back. We've got our tow bar, and on the roof there's 285 watt solar panels thanks to the autonomy package, and additionally that comes with a lithium leisure battery as well. So guys, look at this for a garage. You have an absolute abundance of space in here. When the bed's not in use as well, you can also lift this slat out of the way, so I can show you that. And as well as this, you've got your shower point just behind me here. And they've even give you a set of deck chairs and a table for outside. What else more could you need? Alright guys, so quick look into the cab. We have the equipment line premium pack with this vehicle, so that comes with your leather steering wheel. We've got our adaptive cruise control. We've got our 10.25 inch MBUX infotainment system, so you have all the lovely gadgets in there. You've got your sat nav, you've got your Apple CarPlay with your Android Auto, and your park packages in there with your 360 camera as well. And of course we've got our automatic transmission in the front. So we're into the living quarters of the vehicle. We're finished in a full leather upholstery. We've got our third and our fourth seat belt. This table detaches and allows you to make the 5th berth in the front, and it'll also swivel out to give you a little bit of extra lounge space. Our ambient lighting is along the side here as well, and you've got lots of little USB points inside the van too. And we've got our 22-inch TV in the lounge as well. So into the kitchen, we have our 2-ring gas burner. Beside that is our sink. We do have a water filter in this, and at the back then is our fridge. This vehicle runs off diesel and electric as well for the heating. So guys, we've got the double bed at the back. Now you can sleep longitudinally with this one. You've got plenty of storage in your cupboards above, and just beside me here is an additional USB port as well as a 3-pin charger. You can lift these two up if you need the storage for daytime, and I'm going to show you that next. So guys, look at this for storage. It's absolutely amazing. Just as if that wasn't good enough, we've actually got additional cupboards back here too. So it's really such a clever layout. It's hard to see from this angle, but you've actually got 4 boxes, which I love. I think that's brilliant. And then at the back, we've got a nice deep cupboard for all your other little bits and pieces. So guys, into the toilet. We do have a really clever concept of a layout in here. Your toilet is over to the right. Got a little vanity cupboard for all your toiletries just above that, and then the shower is to the left of us. So into the right we have our sink and our mirror. That folds up out of the way just to save a bit of space whenever it's not in use. We do have our little shower divider, and as well as this we've got our little door. Should have thought that through a bit better, but that basically closes your shower off to your toilet, and then you've got your rail here at the other side. Right guys, so come on upstairs. As you can see, we've got a huge double bed up here. Park up somewhere scenic and take in all the lovely views. So guys, thanks for watching. That's our Hymer Grand Canyon S700, retailing for £142,260. If you have any further queries or questions on the vehicle, please do get in touch with myself or any of the sales team. You can get us on 028 92 69 3999, or alternatively you can email me, Charlotte@thompsonleisure.com. Thank you.